Okay, well this is DL6KW portable. That is. It's helmet. And here's my 10th contact, so I'm going to call it a day. Excellent afternoon. Worked 8 lighthouses. So that was all very good. Had a chat with Paul, G4LNA. Yeah, not a bad afternoon. Worth coming out, you know. Well, it's always worth coming out. It's what, probably about an hour and a half since the last vid, if they go in sequence. Time is 15:21. I'm going to take the antenna down and get sorted out, get packed away. So yeah, no issues at all today. There we go. DL6KW portable. So the bands have been okay, to be honest. Oh, well, hang on. He's got a bit of a pile up going. Good effort. He's probably sortering. But he's got a pile up at the minute, which is great. So anyways, I'll say 7.3s. I'll take this antenna down and I'll get sorted out. Thanks for watching. All the best.